my vermin pedal, or my rat clone, excuse me, because it's got some squealing and self-oscillation noise, and I read online that that can be fixed by adding another capacitor. So we're going to open it up and see what we can do. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check us out every week for more videos on building pedals and audio related junk. Right, so the first thing I want to do is open it up, and we'll see if we can, well, I'll just open it up first. Okay, so I can see where some of the problems are already. I was having problems with this pot, and I can see that the lug of this pot is touching the lug of this pot sometimes, especially when you turn it up, so it's going to have an intermittent short there. But that's a pretty easy fix. If I just put a bit of insulation tape there, it should fix it right up. I should also tighten these. I was worried it was going to be something to do with the wiring that was causing that short, but if it's that easy a fix, that's awesome. I do want to tidy up the wiring a bit, because as you can see, it's very messy. So we'll just tighten that up, then I'll unwrap this and we'll see what the story is with putting in a extra capacitor. Okay, so the original rat schematic calls for a 1 nanofarad capacitor that's between this resistor here and lug 3 of the op amp, or pin 3. So when I was looking this up online on the Tagboard Effects website, people are saying they've been using any value between 1 nanofarad and 22 nanofarads, so I thought I'd split the difference and use a 10 nanofarad. So I'll just try and put that between that resistor and ground. I need to find a spot to get it to ground though. The ground rail is a second last, and it should be okay. There's a break there, so okay, I can link it from where the resistor goes in to that section there, or just put it here. Right, get started on this. Okay, so I think that should be okay now. I'm kind of afraid to go messing with the wiring because it's a bit of a rat's nest. So I think I might just plug it in and test it, and if it works good, if not, then I will try and mess with the wiring. But yeah, that seemed to work out pretty okay. Just it's hanging off the board because it wasn't designed into the board. It's a shame, but it should be okay, I think. I just wrapped a bit of insulating tape around the legs just to make sure nothing shorts. So let's give it a shot.